people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the GLOSSYBOX February unboxing, which they very kindly gifted to me, as well as a discount code, which we'll get into in a moment. So this is what the box looks like. Nice little kind of retro theme that they've got going on with a little stereo cassette. I've already had a little look inside because I just couldn't help myself. So this box normally retails for £15. It's like a monthly subscription. However, I've just got it up on my phone here. If you use the code LuceS, so LUCES, you'll get your first box for £11 instead. So let's just get straight into what was in this month's box and let's get going. If you are new here, by the way, hello, welcome. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays as well. And sometimes I do some bonus videos in between as well. Let's just get straight into this little retro glossy box. So as always, you get the little booklet inside telling you exactly what is inside it and a little bit of information on the products as well. And they also give you a little sneak peek of next month's box. The little sneak peek for next month's box is a mascara that's worth £15.50, so even more than what the box is itself, especially if you use my little discount code as well. So this is what the box looks like. Let's start with the most expensive one in this box, and this is very pricey. So this is the Avant Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Velvet Protecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. There's any need for that long of a name. This is basically what it looks like. Avant is a very expensive brand, so this is full size, and this retails for £58, which just blows my mind. £58 for a lip scrub. But obviously you're getting it in the box for a much more affordable price, as well as 4 other products inside as well. So it says that it's a scrub that will leave you with super soft kissable lips. It's got rose in it to buff away dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. So yeah, £58, and the box is £15 to buy, or £11 if you bought it with my little code. Crazy. The next thing, we'll do it in order of the brochure actually. So the next thing is a product from Nude Sticks. I've never tried anything from Nude Sticks before, and I've always really wanted to, but it's always been pricey. So this is a nice way of trying it. So this is, again, full size. If you bought this in a shop, it would be £20 for this. And this is the Gel Colour Lip and Cheek Balm. So the one that I got is in the shade Siren, which just looks like this. That is beautiful. And it's super moisturising. Let's see what it's like when it's rubbed in. Just for it saying that it's for your cheeks as well. That is beautiful. I've seen a TikTok recently of where they put like a really intense kind of blusher like this underneath the foundation, like, and I mean really intense, put it on and then put the foundation on top, and it just looks like this soft flushed glow from within. It's beautiful. So I might have to retry that with this little Nude Stick. So yeah, £20, crazy, worth more than the box just by itself. So next up we have another full size one. This is from Bubble Tea Cosmetics. This is their Peach Bellini hand cream, and it's a 90ml one, so quite a decent size as well. So it just says that it's packed with the fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, has added aloe vera extract in, and shea butter as well for it to be super moisturising. And that was normally £4.99 if you were going to buy that by itself. And then we have a lip mask. So this is the Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask, and this retails for £5. And it just looks like this. So it says if your lips are feeling dry and cracked from the cold weather, then this is the thing that you need. My lips are always dry and cracked, so I'll definitely try this. Maybe I'll try it in a face mask Friday, and maybe try a lip mask. Let me know down below if you want me to do this in my next face mask Friday, because they are starting back up in March every fortnight. And then the other kind of like week in between is going to be a foundation Friday. We put a foundation to the test, so that is coming back in March, don't you worry. And then the last one, which is worth £10, so this is the Glow on Fifth. This is like a, I'm not going to try and pronounce it because I'll just absolutely butcher it, but it's a facial massage beauty tool. And this is what it looks like, and it's meant to be really good for getting, I'm not going to do it on my face because I've got makeup on, but for getting rid of excess like fluid in your face, like if you've got like a lot of swelling, to kind of thingy it. And I think it's also really nice when you've got face masks on to kind of push them into the skin as well. So that retails for £10. So it says it helps to contour your face and neck to enhance your features. It can also be used to relieve tight muscles. So maybe if you've got like a lot of like jaw clenching. Maybe that might be something that might be able to help with it. It says to use it over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to flush lymphatic drainage, which is obviously the fluid that I mentioned, and to increase blood flow and circulation to give you a radiant, vibrant and youthful skin. So I've just used my trusty handy calculator on my phone and the box contents of this one box is worth £97.99, so you're getting nearly £100 worth of products for £15 or £11 if you use my code LuceS. Yeah, thank you so much to GLOSSYBOX for sending this across to me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want me to do some more kind of GLOSSYBOX unboxings in the future, because I'll definitely do it. I know I've been really enjoying doing the Look Fantastic ones, so hopefully you will find these ones helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to my patrons for being absolutely lovely as always. If you want to join my little exclusive community, we have an exclusive Facebook group, we have an exclusive group chat, giveaways. They help me pick my videos that I'm going to do. We all motivate each other. There's other YouTubers in that group as well, so we all push each other with our YouTube. It's just lovely. It's just lovely. And it starts as little as £1 a month. So I will leave the link down below. I'll also leave a video link down below explaining what it is and all that kind of good shizness as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hopefully will see you on Wednesday for this makeup tutorial, which is going to be testing the Vive stuff. Finally, after 2 months of having it in my collection, I'm actually going to be putting it to the test, and I mean, I don't know if you can see, but it looks banging. It looks banging. And then hopefully we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye guys.